Today, I'm inviting you in my sacred corner, in my place where I meditate, because this is a zero gravity chair, and where I do my morning practices. So I want to show you today because it's so aligned with co-parenting with the universe, where we ask for guidance from the universe to guide us through our parenting, through our mothering. I'm going to show you how to use tapping and oracle cards at the same time. So the cards I'm using most of the time, and also because I'm getting certified by Colette, those cards from Colette Baron-Reid, which are called Wisdom of the Oracle, but you could do that with any deck of cards. And what I do is, before you ask for guidance with a card, you need to make sure you are free from agendas. You need to make sure that you're willing and open to receive the answer that the universe is going to give you, the guidance. You don't want to be wanting that specific answer, because then you're going to get in the way of receiving real guidance where you need to be. Sometimes we need to detach from things. We need to let go of things. And when you don't want to let go, that's going to be reflected in the card that you're going to pull. And until you're able to let go, the cards can even bring you to a place it's going to quote unquote trick you, because you don't want that answer. So you're trying to force another answer. And so it's going to bring you into the answer that you want, to a point where there will be a lot of pain in the process, so that you're cracked open on the floor and you have no more choice, you have to change. But to avoid that, before I pull a card, I take a deep breath and I tap. I am open and willing to be guided. I let go of any attachment. I'm getting neutral emotionally and mentally. Everything that comes my way is for my highest good. Even if I need to change or if I'm being challenged, I'm not alone. I am open and willing to receive the guidance of the universe. Getting neutral and trusting that the universe has my back. Life loves me. The universe loves me. I'm getting free and clear. Opening myself to receive guidance. And you can have your own wording. And again, my cat is here lately. She's in all my videos. You can have your own wording to create an intent and an opening in you to be really neutral and open to what you're going to receive, with an intention of trusting. And then you're going to shuffle the deck and pull a card. And if the card that you're pulling is challenging to you, we're just going to pull a card just for us now, for if you're watching this video. I don't like her here, so I'm going to make her go down. And some people, when cards fly out of the deck, oh, I just said that and one flew out. They consider that they put it aside as a complement of the card that they're gonna pull. In my approach, I trust that this is the card I need. So the card is here and now. I don't know if you can see, it's a little bit blurry. Anyway, so I'm not gonna read the booklet, but this card, of course, means to be present in the moment, and that's perfect for us, to be present in the moment. And if it's challenging for you, you can just do another round of tapping. I am here and now. Coming back to here and now. And you do tapping to really embody that message. Because sometimes it's challenging when we have a problem. We go in the future and starting to imagine all the worst case scenarios that could happen. I remember Louise Hay used to say, you terrify yourself with your mind, and that's what we do. That doesn't help. So coming back to here and now, here and now. What do I see? What do I feel under my feet? You can use your body. What do I feel under my feet? The chair under me. What colors? I see green. I see red. I see gold. I see brown. I see salt. Bring yourself here and now. I am safe. And one of my favorite affirmations that I adopted when my kids were going crazy and I was afraid that they would go to a party and take something and fry their brain was, as long as I have no evidence of the contrary, everything is fine, they're fine. As long as I have no proof that something is wrong, everything is fine. And I must have come back to that sentence so many times, tapping in the middle of the night, because I was like in panic mode. So that can be also to come back to that moment. As long as there is no evidence of the contrary, everything is fine. I can be here and now. I don't have to project to try to avoid a catastrophe. So I hope it helps. Let me know if you have a practice, how you do your practice. And let me know if you start incorporating some tapping when you pull your cards. I just wanted to bring you a little bit in my world to show you what I'm doing. I'm always open to see what you're doing because I love knowing what you're doing. I'll see you next time in another video. Mwah! If you like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything.